Sounds so fake every time the Israel and the West talk about the children killed by Hamas in Israel. Because let's do the number, let's do the simple maths. As per the Al Jazeera's today's report, the number of children which are killed on the Gaza Strip are almost 3,200, 3,200, and the number of children killed in the occupied West Bank is around 33, and the number of children which are killed in the Israel total is 29, around 29. So the number of children killed in Israel by the Hamas is not even the 1% of the children killed by Israel in Gaza only. So who you are telling about the human rights and humanitarian crisis, who you are pursuing, and who is defensive here and who is actually the offender here, who is actually the attacker, who is, in your words, the terrorist here. The people who can see this video can decide for their own. Thank you.